news! 2,424 vacancies are out for the post of Assistant Professor, Haryana Public Service Commission. Assistant Professor Recruitment 2024. So now, students, let's see कि कितनी vacancies subjects में निकली है and what is the eligibility criteria plus the last date, what is the age criteria plus the fee, and let me tell you there's a special remuneration for the female candidates. Chaliye, let's see. Now, the advertisement for recruitment of assistant professor in the various subjects in the Higher Education Department, Haryana, has been released. You can check the official website. Candidates who are seeking for the job of assistant professor. So basically, this is the state Haryana. But let me tell you, those who are living in Delhi and the NCR region, आपके लिए भी एक golden opportunity है to, take part in this assistant professor examination. Then let us come to the date, the applied date. Now see this, August 7th to August 27th is the date when you can apply. Eligibility criteria is master's degree plus net qualification. This means you have to be net qualified, and the age criteria is 21 to 42 years. So this is the last limit for the age. So the fee for the male candidates in the general category is 1,000, and females, good news for you is that there's a special remuneration for you, and it's just 250 rupees. So students, OSN Academy excels in English literature all over India. So now let us see कि English literature में कितनी vacancies निकली है, and mind it, अगर आप देखेंगे figures, so you will be all blown apart. See, English here has total of 613 vacancies, and ये देखिए कि जनरल कैटेगरी में जो है this is 312. This is the maximum if you compare to any other subjects so far. Students, syllabus for HPSC assistant professor is almost the same as UGC NET. Now हमारे दो recently launched batches हैं for HPSC assistant professor and UGC NET assistant professor. ये जो हमारे videos हैं, there are certain videos, there are lectures which are free, so you can always come on the app and see these videos so that you can better understand, and in order to download the app, the link is available in the description box. अब हम लोग selection criteria पे आते हैं. So basically there are three levels here. The first level is the screening test. So now this screening test is total marks is out of 100, and but you have to be very careful, but there is a negative marking of 0.25 will be deducted. So in case you have 4 answers wrong, this means you will lose 1 marks. So once you qualify the screening test, then you will have your subject knowledge test. Now subject knowledge test would be again out of 150. It is in the offline mode, and definitely here the cutoff is 35%. आपको लाना ही लाना है. And the last step here is your interview. So interview is again, the weightage is 12.5 for your final score. Kindly be in touch with our channel for latest updates.